Hello, everyone. You are welcome to today's webinar. I just want to appreciate you that every time we call for webinar, you always attend. And some of you that are new, don't worry, you are going to be learning a lot today. Today's webinar is something that affects everyone, be it a newbie, a professional, amateur, any kind of level of experience. Today's topic will cross across everyone. Everybody will definitely partake in this topic. So what we are going to be looking at is why 90% of traders struggle and the way forward. That's what we are going to be looking at today. Do you get? So, and if you type it on Google now, you can check your Google. Just type it. What's the percentage of traders that lose money in forex trading? You will see some will say 85, 75, different percentage. But let me tell you for free, based on my own experience, because I'll definitely tell you more about that. I work with forex brokers, so I've been to three different forex brokers. So when a trader plays buy or sell, I can see it from my own end when I was working with broker. And I can tell you for free, the few people that are making money from forex trading, they have an algorithm they are using, not the same buying and selling. So I can tell you more than 95% of people that put money in forex trading actually lose their money. Most of them are not consistent. You can tell me about their posting results here and there. Yes, some of them will post, I made $500 today, I made $1,000 today. But come, ask them in 2 days' time. Where is the profit you made yesterday? You know, they've shown you the results. They've screenshotted the result and shown to you. But you don't know when when the money has gone. You won't know that. They won't come and tell you. And that is the circle of even those mentors that you think, this is my mentor. Those mentors. And there's something I'm going to reveal to you why people lose money and what is the way forward. It took me a lot of years to find out the way forward. So let's dive into today's webinar. Just you can get a pen. Definitely, you need a pen. Get a pen and relax. You can get a bottle of water, just like me. See my own bottle of water. So you can get a bottle of water just like me and just relax. You are going to learn a lot. That's one thing I can assure you today. You are going to learn a lot. So let's go. What you'll be learning today, let me just break what you are going to be learning today for you. So the first thing we are going to be learning today, we are going to be learning what is forex trading. I know about 90% of people here will have heard of forex trading, so that one is not a news. So how does it work? You'll be learning that today. Why people trade forex? We'll be going into that in detail. And what do we trade? You'll be learning that. And the problem, and this is where the problem is. This is the inside this problem, there is problem in it again. So the problem in trading and their solution, I'm going to provide solution. I won't just give you problem without providing the solution for you. And what is working versus what people are saying, like rumors. Do you get it? Because forex trading now has turned to rumors, and a lot of strategy people are using is more or less like rumor. You don't know. You add that, hey, smart money concept is working. Boom. How is smart money concept? How do you trade it? You jump at it. It's RSI that is working. You jump at it. So rumors. So not rumor. We'll be showing you facts. What is working today? We'll be showing you that. And the way forward, OTE traders' way of trading. How you can. The solution will be coming from us as well. So let's go. Before we go too far, so let me introduce myself properly so that you can know me. For the people, a lot of people, I believe you know me if you have attended one of our webinars in the past. So my name is Olaoluwa Bamitale, aka FS Solution, and I'm the managing director of OTE Traders and OTE Academy. I have over 7 years experience in trading. I started trading 2018. 2018 till now should be is over 7 years. Let me just say that. And this is it. This is where I'm going. I have 5 years working experience with 3 different brokers. I've been a staff of brokers where you open your account and you start trading. I work with broker. So I have the back end experience as somebody that has worked with broker and the front end experience as a forex trader for over 7 years. So I have both experience. There are some things that you can never know if you don't work for a broker. If you are not within, you can never know it. And I have those information which I can show you. And I'm a fund manager, an algo trader, algorithm trader, an MK04 programmer. So I code different trading softwares. When it comes to trading bots, I code them. No, I'm not the kind of person, the kind of trader that say I go trader that will get free trading bots. We start selling to people. Do you get? I know you'll have seen most of the bots some of the mentors, so-called mentors call for you. They are cracked EAs. That's why it's blowing your account. They crack them. Do you get it? I have them too. I'm not saint as well. I'm not saint as well because we have a trading board library. We have about 350 trading board there that our student can actually play with. But I design, what am I saying? I design trading boards. Do you get it? I code trading boards. I can teach you how to code trading boards. I can code trading board for you. So that's the bottom line. Then, and how does it started? Why, how did I get here? So I actually started, let me start from here. I graduated from University of Vinny. I don't know if you have anybody that graduated from the Great Uniben. So I graduated. When I graduated, when we are in school, then we are told that you need to graduate with a good grade so that you get a good job and all that. And I put in a lot of effort, bomb different candle, different night classes, study and study. And at the end of the day, I graduated with a very good grade. I won't mention it. A very good grade. I graduated very well. But after that, I finished my service, and it now turns out to start counting ceiling. There is no job. So, and luckily for me, I'm saying luckily because I know some people are even unable to get that kind of job. So I got an insurance job with one of the best insurance company here in Nigeria. And while selling insurance, I sell insurance in the street of Lagos. I'll go to the field. I go to Dumota market, working in the sun with suit. I believe you can imagine that. So I move around selling insurance, go to offices, different rejection, different embarrassment. I've been to a woman shop in Idumota market. Somebody will use broom to sweep my leg. Get out! People, they are looking for markets, like somebody to buy their goods or their market, and you are here telling them if they die, their children will benefit and all that. Insurance is actually difficult to sell. So while selling insurance, I met someone who happens to be one of my boss in the office. And he just told me that, oh, now you are very young. There's this business I am doing called Forex trading that I feel you can do it. I don't know what he saw in me. He told me, you feel I can do it, I can succeed in it. This man convinced me for almost 3 months. I think that was 2017. Almost 3 months before I started in 2018. It come throughout from the middle of 2017. I was like, it's scam. I don't know. I first said is gambling. I don't gamble. This because I know I'm a Muslim. I did myself. I don't gamble. He convinced and convinced me till I decided in 2018. And what actually stopped me then is I asked him that, Oga, how much have you made from this? He said, Ola, I've not made anything from this. In short, the money I want to use to buy my car, I lost it in Forex trading. But I know you can do it. I was like, so you lost money that you wanted to use to buy car, and you know I can do it. Oga, just leave me alone. But as God will have it, Sakpa started knocking at my door. If you're in Nigeria, you know what Sakpa is. So, and I had no choice than to just look for a way forward in Forex trading. And I pick up Forex trading. I tried so many things when I started. From indicator, from price action, from different things, name it. I tried it. Smart money concepts. I read books, like I turned to a professor in Forex trading. I read books, different courses. I did so many. At the end of the day, I wasn't making profit. I'll make profit today, but comes in a week's time or 2 weeks' time, I've lost everything back to the market. So I collected money from friends, family. I put it in Forex. I keep on losing money. So even some relationship nearly got cut off just because of this. But I told myself that there is a way in Forex trading, which God later helped me. With the help of God, I later find out the secret to success in Forex trading, which I'm going to be revealing to you today. We stay at the end of this course. So that was how I started. I started from the street of Lagos selling insurance, and Forex trading changed everything, changed the narrative, changed the game for me. And now, to the glory of God, I'm the managing director of OTE Traders and OTE Academy. And this can be your story as well. I don't know your level. I don't know what you are passing through currently. I don't know, maybe you just want a passive income. I don't know, maybe you are looking for active income. There's a way forward in Forex trading. There is money in Forex trading. Just because you've not gotten it right. That's why you are feeling this way. There is money in Forex. I can tell you that for free. There is money in Forex trading. And I'm going to be showing you some things. So I have FS book. I don't just talk. Do you get, people can talk and shout, I'm a trader, I'm a trader, I'm a trader. I can bet with you. If you take, let's say you put 20 traders, 20 mentors, hardly will you see one of them that can show you FS book, one result that they've been trading for the past 6 months. Hardly will you see. And I'm going to be showing you my FS book, not now, during the course of the training. Because if I show you now, I know some people will join us during the course of the training and they will miss out on it. They will not really get who is talking. So I will keep this to the middle of the training. I will show you my FS book, what I've done for myself. You get what I'm doing for myself. I'm going to show you that. So let's proceed. And before we proceed, before we go too far too, let's quickly talk about OTE Academy, OTE Trader. You've been seeing some of you on our group that are like, what is this OTE? OTE, you've been seeing OTE. What is the meaning of OTE? Is it $10? Some people will say, Ote Academy. Maybe they are thinking it's $10 Academy. No. This is OTE means Optimum Tick Expert Limited. It's a registered company here in Nigeria. This is our CAC number. You can verify it. It's a company, a registered company, limited liability. And please, we are not an investment company or trade for clients. We are not like all these CPS, I don't know what the name, MMM, all those ones that you have to bring your money, you send your money to their account, yeah, trade for me. We don't do all those, we don't do that here. We are not an investment company and we don't trade for people. So the OTE traders is a branch on its own. They built AI power trading system and they sell. That's what OTE traders focus on. They focus on the trading part, building of AI and all that. That's what OTE traders focus on. And we have OTE Academy. From the name Academy, train beginners and professionals to profit, to making profit from the forex market. So that is what OTE Academy actually do. And we teach all financial literacies. Now you know about me, and also you know about OTE Academy and OTE traders. Let's go to what we have today. And also, this is a disclaimer because I know we have a lot of people here. Some people are here from different purposes. You get some people want to see, wow, what are they doing? Are they scammers? Are they this? What they do? Because of that, let me put this disclaimer. Forex trading involves risk, just like every other business, but it can be a calculated risk, and that is why you have us. OTE is not an investment company. We don't do investment here. You don't bring 2 naira, give you 10 naira. We don't do that here. We are not an investment company. So we provide trading and trading tools like AI, AI, and trading indicators. That's what we do here. And we don't manage client funds. You retain full control of your fund. You know more about this as we proceed. Now, let me ask you, what is forex trading? If I'm to ask you, what I know a lot of people knows about forex trading. I know you know about forex trading already. But to some, when they hear forex trading, the first thing that comes to their mind is that money they lost, is that account they blown, is that trade signal they collected from the one Telegram group, or is that mentor that collected money from them is going to show them how to make money and ran away, or is that group they joined, they said they are doing forex, they put money, and so those are the meaning of forex trading to a lot of people. Because a lot of people has gotten their finger burns. I got my finger burned before I got here. Do you get? I got my finger burns, and there is a saying. Let me just paraphrase it. For a child to be able to walk, the child must not be scared of falling down. So as he's falling, he's picking himself up. As he's falling, he's picking himself up. So a lot of people in forex trading, once they fall once, they don't pick themselves up. They run away. This is a scam. Yeah, they scam me of my money. I'm not doing this again. Yeah. And could you imagine that? And these people, when I look at them, they have businesses. Some of them, they have companies. They have businesses they run. Some of them, they sell goods, whereby they order. For example, let me use Great Nigerian House here in Lagos Island, that got burned in December festive period. A lot of people bought goods that they wanted to sell in December period. Do you get? And that happened, that loss happened. Over billions of naira went down the drain as a result of the fire incident. A lot of life were lost. But those people within now say, I lost money, I'm not doing business. They will look for money. If you collect loan, they start the business again, they go again with the hope they are going to recover. So in every business in life, losses do come. But you just have to learn how to learn from it. Every losses, you try to learn from those losses. Do you get it? And if you are doing the same thing over and over and over, and you're expecting a different result, they say it's not, I don't want to use insanity for you to be doing the same thing over and over and expect a different result. It's not possible. You just have to apply different things. Some people, is that RSI they've been using, the stick to, is that MACD, is that moving average crossover they giving to them. That's what they've been using, and they've been losing money. No, they keep on giving excuses. It's because I slept off. It's because I wasn't looking. It's because the money was too small. They keep on giving different excuses. And that is why they keep on losing money. You can't continue to do the same thing over and over and expect a different result. You just have to apply different approach. And that was what really helped me in forex trading. I tried forex indicator, try different things. I lost money. I lost people's money. But the day I keep on trying different things, and while trying different things, I later found out something that is working, and that is what I stick to. And despite that, I still keep on trying different things. That okay, let me try other ones. Maybe to see what is working. I have, but I'm still looking for something. Maybe to work better. But since I've been doing that, I've never seen something that works better than what I have. And I'm going to show you today. I'm going to be showing you today. So let's talk about what is forex trading. I've explained what most people know about forex trading, the bad experiences they've had, the guy they gave money to trade for them, blew their account, that Pakistan guy you met on Telegram that said you turn your $100 to 10 million dollar that you gave money to. Those are the things people see when they hear about forex trading. But the actual meaning of forex trading is foreign exchange, which I believe we know is a global marketplace where people buy and sell currencies like Euro, USD, GBP, and JPY. They are all currencies. Don't worry if you don't know about this. Don't worry, we have an academy that will train you on all this. So this one is not really intensive training, just to pass the information across and to show you the bigger picture. So you trade one currency for another, always in pairs. You don't trade just one currency. You trade them in pairs. For example, if you have dollar, you have to trade your dollar to get naira. You have to trade your naira to get dollar. So that is how forex trading has been working. So buy when we anticipate that the currency will rise or will go up in value, and we sell when we anticipate that the price will fall in value, and that is what we've been doing. And there are some people that will say, forex trading, what if it crash? Like, forex trading can, let me tell you, you might be right. Forex trading can actually not exist. Yes. On these two occasions. Number one occasion is if the whole world comes together and agree that, oh, they are spending one currency. Maybe if the whole world want to be spending US dollars, then forex trading there won't be forex trading because we trade two currencies. So since we have only one, maybe you'll be trading against gold. And even gold is a form of money as well. So they've agreed that it's only one thing, no gold, no crude oil, no Bitcoin, it's just USD. That's the only thing they want in the world. So forex trading can actually go away. Or there's another one, they say, no country must transact with another country. You must not move from one country to another. You must not buy anything from another country. Forex trading will not exist because there won't be need to change money to one currency and the other. But provided these two things are still happening, people are still moving from one currency of country to another, and um and people are doing transaction with one country to the other, definitely forex trading will be there till life comes, till the end of life. So think of it like changing money at airport. That's how forex trading is, which I explained. You change money, you go. The only difference is that it is online. You don't need to see somebody physically. It is online and it is very fast. And for profit, people do it for profit as well. Now, let's talk about how it works. How does forex trading work? We need to know that there is no central location. It's not like a bank that we have all the funds are in the bank. So there is no central location controlling the market. It's not US that is controlling, it's not Canada, it's not Australia. So all these places I mentioned, they have their own banks. So they control their own currency. The Bank of Australia is controlling the Australian dollars. The Bank of England is controlling the pounds. So different locations, they are controlling their own currency. So you can bring pounds, you can bring USD. You trade them against each other, depending on what is going on in the United States and what is going on in England. Do you get it? So that's how they trade. There is no single bank that is controlling it. So it is traded online. No central location. It's an online between banks, brokers, and traders worldwide. And also, this is the one that got my attention when I started. The forex trading is traded 24 hours a day and 5 days a week. Although later in life or later in this, you know that it's not actually 24 hours because there's some time that they change over and all that. They will move to the another session and all. Maybe there are some delays or maybe some minutes or some currencies are maybe like an hour and all that. And we don't trade over the weekend. Please pay attention to this because there is a lot of things out there that you need to be educated. You need to have the knowledge of. Any group you are in, they said they are trading on Saturday, they are trading on Sunday, they are giving signals on Sunday and Saturday. It is not forex trading they are doing. Let me come again. If you belong to any group, they said they are giving you signal on Sunday and Saturday. It is not forex trading they are doing. It is binary option. Because a lot of people will lose money in binary option. They say, I lost money in Forex. It's different. Binary option is, let me explain how binary option work. For in Forex trading, we bet on price. Like the price of uh this asset will rise, you buy. The price will fall, we sell. Do you get? We bet on price. Not direction. I don't know, maybe you get it. We bet on price. Like the price will move from this point to this point. As the price is moving from this point to this point, you keep on making money, you keep on increasing, your money keeps increasing. But in binary option, it's like bet Nigeria, it's like all those bets. You bet Euro USD will go up or it will go down in 5 minutes. You bet. Do you get? That's a bet. And banks, no banks in the world, they don't bet. So anything you see banks are not doing, I will advise you not to do it. I'm not saying they don't make money, but what I'm saying is this. What I'm saying is this. Please don't get me wrong. I'm not saying you should not trade binary option. You can trade it if you know how to do it. But what I'm saying is this. Please pay attention. It is not forex trading you are doing. So don't mix it up. It is not forex trading. And the trading volume of forex, the amount that is available in the forex market as at now is over 7 trillion. Yes, yep, it is still not B. $7 trillion. 7 trillion. When I started, I saw it as ocean of wealth. I told myself, even though it's $10 I can make in a day, $10 in a week is $50. In a month, it's like $200. $200 is okay for a beginner. That was what I told myself. But at a point, I'll make $10, I'll make $50. Before you know it, especially Fridays. Fridays, I always lose the money back then on Fridays. Especially news. During the news, I end up losing the money back on Fridays. So there's a lot of money to be made in this business. And let me also tell you why people trade Forex. This one you need to pay attention. People trade Forex. Number one reason people trade Forex for profit, to make profit, is to make profit. That's why people trade Forex. The second one is to hedge against inflation, to hedge the risk. Let me give you an instance. For example, if you are a company, let's say you sell laptop and you order some laptops that you are going to be paying on delivery, let's say from China to Nigeria, and you have to pay 100 million, let's say $100,000 when the goods arrive to you in Nigeria, and the goods will arrive maybe in 3 months. So currently, $100,000 is about 140 million, if I'm not mistaken, 140 million. And now, let's say by the time you place the order and you save 140 million in your bank, and by the time the order will come in 3 months' time, dollar has rise to 1,007, which will make you to pay 170 million. You need to have additional like 300 million to it to balance. Do you get it? So because of that, people can actually buy the dollar just to hedge against that inflation. I don't know, maybe you get it. So they buy dollar now when it is 140, they buy it not with the purpose of making profit now, but the purpose of hedging the risk of inflation. So that's another reason why people trade forex. And people trade forex based on traveling. They want to go to Canada, they change to Canadian dollar. They want to go to UK, they change to pounds. Those are the three major reasons why people trade forex. And also, let me ask you, what do we do in forex trading? What do we do? Most people will say we buy, we sell. Those are the two things most people are aware of, but we do three things. The first one is we buy. The second one is we sell. And the third one is we wait. Waiting is trading. If you are not trading, you are keeping your money in your account, you are also trading. It's a smarter way of not losing your money. Do you get? So it's also trading. And there are two major problems when it comes to forex trading. Two major problems when it comes to forex trading. Don't forget, I said you can get a bottle of water. Let me drink mine. Okay, let's proceed. Two major problems when it comes to forex trading. You can see this guy is frustrated. He has lost everything. And it's because of these two major problems. The first one is when to enter a trade. That's the first problem. When to enter a trade and when to exit a trade. These are the two major problems in forex trading. If you can solve this puzzle, you'll be a profitable trader. When to enter a trade, you can enter a trade in a perfect way, good entry, but you might have a bad exit. When it's time to leave the market, you might still be there. At the end of the day, you lose the money. So these are the two major problems in forex trading. But like they say, To every problem, there is a solution. So let's look at the solution. What are the solutions to solving this problem? And these are the solutions some people have employed. I'm going to show you the solution people have employed, and I'm going to show you the solution you should employ. So the first one is the solution most people have employed, and you might have tried this with those Pakistan guys on Telegram. Get someone to trade for you. You get someone to trade for you, don't do anything. You give your money to the person trade for you. And you save your time, you focus on your business, maybe a banker, you work in different places, yeah, which is good. But it is very risky. You might come back and the person has blown your account. The person might even use your money. If you send money to the person's account, the person might even use your money to buy Lamborghini. At the end of the day, you tell you the market has taken the money away. So you have no control, no transparency. The person is the one doing it. You are just looking with the hope you are going to make profit, and you are not learning at the same time. No growth, no learning. And a lot of people have gotten their finger burnt. A lot of people I've been a victim, of course. I told you I tried so many things. I tried those Pakistan guy. I have them. They come to my DM, bro, account management, 50-50, and the 40-60. Bring it, bring it. Even though you say $50, they say bring it. $100, bring 1,000, any amount, bring. Before you give them, they start trading. Before you know, you see your money, your $100 is turning to 500. The report, so yeah, give me my 50%. You withdraw the $200 profit you give to them. You will leave your own money there. They say, no, don't withdraw. You have more money. They trade it again. You can see the money in 700. Divide. One day you just check it's not even one day. Maybe you wake up in the morning, you check everything has gone. You say, bro, sorry, bad market is bad. Fund another money. I know most people have this experience. So I don't advise you giving your money to someone to trade for you. I don't advise it. I know some people say, I don't know how to trade and I want to make money. There are smarter way of doing this, which I'm going to be showing you at the end of this webinar. There are smarter way of doing this. So let's proceed. Not to recommend it. I don't recommend it. You risk everything with zero involvement, but there are smarter way of doing this. The second one, this one, a lot of people, even most people, I can tell you that 60% of people here might have been doing this. Professional trade signal, Telegram group, join my Telegram. We kill it, we make profit, we make this, we make that. We kill the market. At the end of the day, it's F9. Nothing. A lot of people have been a victim of this as well. A lot of people have been victim of this. So I don't actually recommend this, but the pros of it is easier entry. See, I've never seen someone, a rich forex trader that got rich from Telegram group. There are so many things that I'm going to tell you later. You understand some things about forex trading. You can't get rich with Telegram signal. You can't. In forex trading, you can't get rich with Telegram signal. So you might think it's easier. Somebody will give you signal. It's you also place it. At the end of the day, you get your finger burned. No need for analysis. You just place the signal as they are giving the signal. The disadvantage of it is result are inconsistent. You know it. You are still guessing and depending on people. Most signals are recycled and they are not tested. Even the people that are giving you the might place it on the demo account, might not be on the live account. You show you big profit. Is that this guy is making it? Those guys, they are not making anything. I'm telling you for free. I'm telling you so many things. There are so many things I can't even open my mouth to see when it comes to forex trading, because I'm seeing the back end. Those guys, you think, these guys are big, this guy is making money. They are not making anything. They are not making anything. I'm telling you that with my full shares. They are not making anything. So don't be deceived with Telegram signals. It's not a way forward. The other one is copy trading. I know a lot of people knows about copy trading. I'm doing copy trading, blew my account, this and that. Actually, copy trading is better than the other two. I can tell you that for free. Fully automated profit. Follow real traders with verifiable results. We know how to check for copy trading very well. You can actually make money from copy trading. And one thing I love about copy trading is this. It's just like you are betting that a particular boxer will win. So in case the boxer, let's say Anthony Joshua will beat Tyson Fury, for example, for those that know boxing. And for example, let's say Anthony Joshua end up losing. You not only feel the pain alone. For Anthony Joshua to lose, for the boxer to lose, is that the jaw has broken, the nose has bent. Do you get? You will feel the pain too. The same thing with copy trading. So if you lose a dime, the trader too has lost money. Instead, the trader is using $10,000. You are putting $100. That's the only way. But if you are using almost the same amount, if trader is losing, you too. If you are losing, the trader too will have lost. Do you get? So it's better compared to the other ones that the person you give your money to is not even trading, is after his own selfish interest. He wants to make money. Use big lot size, he will make money, he will collect share. It doesn't make, move on. So copy trading, you see everything live. And you require capital and a trusted provider. That's the only thing. Smart choice, any while learning passively. I love copy trading also. It's good, but you need to know how to do it right. We are getting to the OT traders way of trading, which is the use of trading software. The use of trading software. I'm going to be telling you something at the end of this. So we have software for people that are looking at what is this software all about. So we have some algorithm, some instruction that we, some strategy rather, that we've put into a code, and you put them into a file. So inside the trading bot is not like just okay. Let me use it. Like documents. Hey, let me put that like PDF. By PDF that you can transfer to someone. That's how the trading bot is. But you can't open it on your phone. It's not open. Do you get? You can't open it on your laptop set, but you can use it to trade. The instruction has been programmed there with language. We use MK4 or we use MQ4 or MQ5 to program it. So once we program those instructions, we put it on the trading account. The bot, which is a file, we check the market based on the instruction we put there. That when these conditions are met, when this is this, when this is that, place buy. When it's that time, it's going to place buy. When it's time to close, it's going to close. When it's time to buy again, it's going to buy. And they don't trade with emotion. Let me tell you, one of the reasons why people lose money is this. Your best strategy that you are using, it's this strategy is good. The best setup might comes when you are sleeping in the middle of the night, or while you are attending to a client or a customer, or while you're on your way, while you are driving. Your best setup that can give you good profit might come during that period. But you are not there. You are not in front of your system. Maybe by the time you check the market, it's the setup you see, you will trade. And how do you want to be profitable when you keep missing out on opportunity, trade opportunities? When you keep missing out, you can't be profitable like that. That is why we put AI in place. AI doesn't sleep. Stay in front of the system. Check the market 247. Even while the market is closed, the AI is there monitoring the market. Anytime there is movement, the AI can place trade. The AI is just waiting for movement. Once there is movement, the candle moves, it start looking for opportunity to place buy or sell. And that is trading bots. And this is the way forward in forex trading. I will still tell you some things. Don't worry. I'll still tell you some things. So, what are the advantages of using trading bots? Trade based on coded logic, not emotion. You might not be happy. You might be sad. Maybe something happened. Maybe somebody spoke to you anyhow or something happened. You are an emotional being. You might not be happy to trade. Or you might be under pressure. Maybe you are a family man, you need to pay school fees, the deadline and all that. You're under pressure. You might want to quickly trade. I need to make this. At the end of the day, you blew your account. But AI trading board, they don't have family, they don't have anything. They follow the route to the latter. They follow it. And that is why they are more profitable than human. I can tell you that for free. They are more profitable. Don't worry, like I said, I'm going to show you my results. You understand what I'm saying. And they run 24/5, 24/7, not 5. Because when the market is asleep, they are there, still monitoring the market. And they are customizable, they are scalable. You can do different things, you can adjust the settings, you can do so many things. The disadvantage of bots, I know some people say, there is a particular trading bot, I put it, it blew my account, I bought one on Telegram. Let me tell you, most of the bots you are buying is not from the right owner. You are buying the bot. They are cracked EAs. They are bots that have been cracked. Do you get? They are refurbished. Let me use that word. I'm looking for the right word. They are not the authentic file from the owner. They are the one that somebody saw. Maybe someone on my Telegram group, for example, and I told I have plenty bot there. Somebody can pick a trading bot. I have many students. I will just pick a trading bot. Let's say the trading bot is Gold Scalper. We pick trading bot Gold Scalper. Change the name from Gold Scalper and change it to Ade FX AI or Ade Gold, Ade Gold EA, and start selling to people. Do you get? I'm not saying they don't work. They work, but most of them are not the authentic file from the owner. So if you are buying any trading bot, you are getting get from the rightful source owner. Like our board, I coded it, I can modify it, I can put license, I can do so many things. I can give you the file to go and use. At the end of the day, I can record the file back. Do you get? So I have full control of the bot we use. And most of the bot out there they give to you, and that's the end. Do you get? And the difference between myself and those guys, some of them, if they look for somebody, can you code bot for me? Or somebody code the bot, and this bot is good, be selling it. That's how some of them, they start marketing. This bot is good. But I coded the bot myself. I know what I put in it. If there's something wrong with the market, I can easily go there, adjust some settings, and do some things. Do you get it? So that is just the difference. And AI is really working. I can tell you for free. So why losses in forex trading? I just put this here so that I can remember to tell you why over 90% of people lose money in forex trading. Please pay attention to this. The first one I found out why working for broker is this. Most of the strategy people are using, there is no proof that this strategy is working. Let me come again. Most of the strategy people are actually using, like I'm using smart money concept, I'm using this concept, I'm using this indicator, all of them, there's no evidence that this thing is working. Because one of your mentors just posted on his Telegram, I made $5,000 today. I use it with this setup. This is a powerful setup. You can use it. And you start using it. Those signals, see, I code trading bot. I'm telling you from the place of experience. I code bot. If you give me your strategy that you use to code now, you use to trade. If I code it into a bot and we run it, you see my strategy. You see why you've been losing money in forex trading. And most people are not aware of this. If you meet anybody, you're a trader, which strategy do you use? That's how people get strategy. Which strategy do you use? Is that I use smart money. Teach me now. How do you do it? And when market is this, when market is that, I buy, I sell. You go and try. You place one trade. This strategy is good. I just made this. And most strategy, you need to optimize them to get to get the best out of them. You need to optimize, tweak the settings and all that. But manual trading cannot give you that leverage because there is no way to backtest your strategy. And most of your trade setup might come in the night while you are sleeping, while you are not there. And that is why people lose money in forex trading. And setup now has turned to most of the one that paid me the most are those mentors. They say, I do this analysis, I do this, I do that. See, in forex trading, there's a lot of scam in forex trading. So you need to wise up. Before you follow anybody, ask for FS book. They don't have. Forget about Lamborghini, forget about this they flaunt. They don't have it. They don't have FS book. They don't have trading history for 6 months. What they've been making for 6 months. They only show you what they want you to see. And that is why most people keep on running after them. You keep on losing money. You keep on losing money. And the second part is this, which I'm going to be going into another, which is the last part for this session. So why people lose money, aside from the strategy that is not tested, the second reason is laziness. Laziness. A lot of people are lazy. They don't want to learn. They don't want to do anything. They just want to make money. If you want to be a medical doctor, do you think it's a joke to go to school for like 9 years? You want to be a nurse, you go to uni for almost like 5 years. You want to be an engineer, you go to school for 5 to 6 years. There is a reason for all these things. You need to learn. You can't just you can't just remove the L and start earning. Okay, our forex trading now has changed, like has evolved. This is not the time to be learning how to draw lines. The world has moved. It's not time to be drawing lines, to be learning. There are smarter ways. I can teach you forex trading. If I want to teach you forex trading, I can teach you forex trading in 2 days, and you start making profits. Because I don't need to teach you lines. You don't need lines. I'll just show you some things. What do you need? How to use trading bot. How to know if you have any trading bot at hand. How do you know that this trading bot is working, is good, can be trusted? That's the first thing you need to learn. This trading bot, how can it be trusted? You need to learn that. The second thing you need to learn is how do you use this trading bot? Where do you put it? How do you set it up? I don't know if you get it. Those are the things you learn. How do I set this trading bot? And the last one, because trading bots, you can't put them on your laptop. You need a laptop that will be on 24/7 with internet. But in this part of the world, you can't get that. So we need something we call VPS. It's like a laptop in the cloud, but we subscribe to it. That's where we keep our trading bot and our trading account. We store it in the cloud. So the bot will be running 24/7. It doesn't go off. It doesn't. Do you get it? To be trading there. So those are the things you need to learn. If you can learn those three things, you can be profitable. Once you have any trading bot, even a trading bot library, once you have it, you can test it to know this bot, can I trust it? So it's not the time to start learning how to draw line. Forex trading is hard. I won't lie to you. It's difficult. It took me almost more than 3 years to be able to find a way out. Some people have given up. Even some people that started till now, they've not gotten a way out from forex trading. They are still struggling. Do you okay? And there's a secret I want to tell you today. If you didn't get anything from me, take this one. Nobody know how to trade forex. It's a secret. Nobody, no human being can come out and say I know how to trade the forex market. It's a lie. Don't be deceived. Everybody leverage on information, on algorithm, on a system, not by your power. I don't know, maybe you get it. Everybody are leveraging on algorithm like something that will give you when to buy, entry and exit. Do you get? Or a system that will place the buy sell for you that you just monitor. It's simple. People that are making consistent profits from trading board from forex, that is what they do. And it is not that is not the end. And there's also something I'm going to tell you. Let me just write it down. I'm going to tell you when I get to the next chapter or the next slide. That is another secret that I'm going to tell you. I hope you are learning from this. I hope you are getting information. You are learning. So let's proceed because of time. So use of trading board is a game changer. The day I found out this trading board, that was the day I started making consistent profits from forex trading. I'm going to show you what definitely going to show you that. I'm definitely going to show you that. So the last one I said is acquire knowledge and trade by yourself, learning how to do it. I can tell you this is the best. You learn how to do it, it's fine. But it's not everybody, I will be sincere with you, it's not everybody that can still learn how to trade forex. Some people will just leverage on AI, artificial intelligence, we do it for them. It's fine. Do you get? So the first one, which is the use of trading bots and learning how to do it. Learning how to do it involve you maybe learning how to code your trading bot, learning how to set it up, learning how to do it yourself. Do you get? So or learning everything related to forex trading. You know, for example, if you're a medical doctor, you do the general medicine, like you learn head, shoulder, everything, the chest, the stomach, you learn everything together. Then after that, you now specialize. The same thing applicable to forex. So you can learn everything together, both manual trading, trading boards, you learn everything. Then later, you now specialize in the use of automation, forex automation. So you get full control and you learn a skill. Forex trading is a skill. Let me tell you, how do I get to work for a forex broker? Should I shock you? It's because of the knowledge I have in forex trading that gave me the platform. You know, those brokers you see, those people that work for brokers, they earn. Most of them earn in dollars. So don't look at them. Their account manager that will call you, Mr. Ben, how you doing? Good morning, sir. You say, good morning, how are you? You'll be looking at that. This one is a bank. Some of them they earn in dollars, usually the senior, they earn in dollars, they earn good money. Good money. Do you get it? So if you have a skill in forex trading, you can approach them, you can work for a forex broker and you earn. If you have a skill, if you acquire this skill, unlimited potential to grow wealth. You can anywhere you find yourself in the world, you can make money. That's another thing. You are not depending on anyone. You can do this yourself. Those are the advantage of learning how to do it. You can teach people. You can teach people on how to make money from trading as well. And also, I said, let me show you the disadvantage. It's not disadvantages, but let me show you, it takes a lot of time and effort to actually learn. And this is the best investment. Once you learn it, you earn forever. This is for learning if you want to do it. So I recommended the last two for you. But there's something I want to show you. If you want to learn, are you ready to learn how to trade Forex? Because I can show you. And this is where I'm going to show you something, my own results. Let me show you my results. So this is my FS book. So those that knows FS book, if this is not your first time, I will have shown this to you. So this is my FS book. This is my profile. So you can see these are the system I've been using. You can see different relevant graphs here. They are the system I've built and they are trading. They are doing different things. These are the profit they've made. These are the profits they've made. Do you get? So this is my FS book. These are monthly return of some of them. Monthly return. Some of them have been trading for 3 years, 2 years, 6 months, and so on and so forth. But this is not what I want to show you. This is what I want to show you. What I did last year, a whole year. They audit. They can audit audit your result, what you've done for the full year. So you can show it to investors that, see, this is what I've done this year or last year. This is what I've done in 2 years. This is what I've done in 3 years. It's not empty for, I made $500. I made this. That's not to trade. And most of the mentors you see out there, this just ask them, do you have FS book? They will run away. So this is my FS book audited result, trading results for 2025. And this is what I want to show you. This is what I want to show you. You can see this is the total return on investment I was able to do in 2025. You can see 2025. Total return on investment I was able to do in all the accounts I traded. So I was able to do 180.5% return on investment. And this is a net profit I was able to make in 2025. And this is my best trade, gold. And this was the best trade I traded, held for 2 hours, 11 minutes. This is the peak gain as at December 31st. And this is the day trading, like the trading style. My trading style is a day trading. Like 64% of my trades are closed in that day. I don't like leaving my trade for 2 days, 3 days. That's my style of trading. So I try as much as possible to close my trade that day because I don't like trade overnight, checking trade in the midnight. I like to enjoy my sleep in the night. Do you get? So most of the port I could, I try as much as possible in that day they close the trade because that's my style of trading. And the most profitable trade most of the asset I trade the most is gold. I love trading gold. I placed 50, this is 5,177 trades on gold, and I made most of the profit from gold. And this is the total number of trades I was able to place in 2025, 9,705 trades. But guess what? Out of this, I was able to win 74.2% winning rate. Out of the 100%, I was able to win 74%. I only lost 25.8%. So this was what I did for myself in all the accounts I traded in 2025. And if I'm able to do this for myself, I can show you how you can replicate this for yourself as well with the academy I'm about to show you. So I believe you are willing to listen to me. I'm not just the kind of trader that I can trade, I can do this. Forex trading is just like black market. You don't know what is inside until you enter it and maybe you say, mentor, I'm going to teach you. It's like black market. But now this is tested and trusted. This is me showing you what I've done for myself. This is not somebody's account. This is my account. I don't know, maybe you get it. My FS book. You go to my FS book, you can log in. Maybe I should do the login for you so that you know that this is not maybe a screenshot or a pre-recorded. So let me log into my account again so that you can see that this is not doctored, this is not pre-recorded session. This is not pre-recorded, or is this not just edited? Do you get? So let me log into my account. Okay. So this is my account, the one I showed you, and this is the 2025 results. Do you get? So you click on it, you can see it's still the same thing I showed you. So this is what you show investors, not mouths that I can trade, that I'm a trader. That's not what investors will take. They take something like this. And this is what I can show you how to replicate this kind of thing for yourself if you join the OTE Academy. Let me now introduce you to the OTE Academy, the School of Automation. Now that you've seen my performance, so for me to be able to achieve that kind of results, I can also show you how you can achieve that kind of result for yourself. So this is not like your regular academy. This is not the kind of academy you might have been to. This is a very different academy. And all the academy you've been to, I can bet it with you, nobody can show you that kind of results. I told you I work for brokers, so I know how these things work. A lot of trainers you see out there, they don't have these results. Do you get? Most of them, don't let me even go there. So we know what is working here, and we can show you what is working here. In OT Academy, we don't just teach you the theory, how to draw lines. This is 21st century, and this is 2026, for goodness sake. This is not the time to be learning how to draw lines if you want to make money from forex trading. Go and check. Most people that have been drawing lines, doing all, how much have they made? If you've been trading forex, you know what I'm saying. You've learned everything. There's nothing left that you've not learned in forex trading. There's nothing left. in forex trading, but you can find out that you're not making money from forex trading. And that's the way the system was designed, has been designed. You just be learning from one pillar to post. At the end of the day, you will not make anything from forex trading. And like I said, the people that are making money from trading, forex trading, they have an algorithm they are using. They have a system they are using, not the regular buying and selling. And I'm going to tell you something in this session, in this slide. So we are going to show you how to make money from forex trading, not just how to trade, not how to buy, how to sell. That's what we see. 99% of academy out there, they will show you how to trade the forex market. Support and resistance, trend line. That is what practically all the academies, that's what they are teaching. Trend line, psychology, different risk management, all those things. The same syllabus. They can now add smart money concept, fair value gap, all those things. If you try it, at the end of the day, you will still not make the money from forex trading. The people that are teaching you that fair value gap, smart money concept, all those things, ask them how much have they made. Can they show you what they made for the past 6 months, for the past 1 year? They can make money in 1 month and lose everything the second month. That's the cycle. So you just to break free from that cycle, you just have to have a different approach, and that is what we are having here. And this is what I want to tell you. In OT Academy, we are going to show you the business of forex trading. Please listen to this. Very important. You can't have that financial freedom that you are looking for if you only do the buying and selling of forex. Let me come again. The kind of financial freedom you are looking for, that you have in your mind, that forex trading you can make a lot of money. You can't have that financial freedom, that kind of money you are thinking, without doing the business side of trading. Go and check all the traders that they are using Lamborghini, they are using this, they are using Ferrari, they are doing what. Go and check them. Aside from the buying and selling they claim they are doing, they are doing partnership. They are doing a lot of businesses when it comes to trading. They are doing copy trading. They have academy. Practically all of them, they have academy. Why did you ask yourself, why are these people having academy when forex trading is enough, when they are making enough money? And the truth is this: I'm not saying you can't make money from forex trading. Do you get? We have people. I make money from forex trading, but that money might not be enough to take care to do. For okay, let me give you an instance. Let's say I have $1,000 in my account. It is easier for me to make $200 from $1,000 in a month than to make $200 from $100. I don't know, maybe you get it. So even though you have 1,000 and you're able to make $200 conservatively in a month, $200 cannot give you that kind of financial freedom, that kind of, I don't know, that kind of lifestyle you are thinking. So for you to have that kind of lifestyle you are thinking, let's say you have $10,000. If you have $10,000, maybe you can, because the more the money, the lower the risk exposure you want to have. Maybe you make around on $1,000, maybe you make around 1,005. On $10,000, you make like 1,005 to 2,000. Even 1,005 to 2,000 cannot give you this kind of lifestyle you are looking for. Because the kind of lifestyle traders live, at least in a month, to be able to live that kind of lifestyle, you need to have like 5,000 to 10,000. And you need like 50,000 to 100,000 to be able to achieve that kind of lifestyle. But let me tell you, the good news is this: even with your $200, with your $100, you can still achieve that kind of lifestyle you are thinking, that kind of lifestyle with the business of trading. So we have, aside from the buying and selling that people do, we have over 8 other businesses which I've demystified in our academy. I've explained in details how to run it, how to do the business. Let me give you a good example. One of them is, you've been hearing copy trading. And a lot of people have been hearing copy trading. What they believe in copy trading is me copying someone. Have you ever imagined somebody copying your own trade? I know you don't know how to trade, but there are some, I told you, nobody knows how to trade Forex. We all leverage on algorithm. We all leverage on tools, information. The reason why I'm here where I am today is not because I'm one special guru in Forex trading. It's because of the tools that I have, the knowledge, the information that I've acquired. And the algorithm I depend on. I can code trading bots, so I can work on algorithm. Do you get what I'm saying? I can do one or two things. So those are the things that make me a little bit better off compared to a newbie. Do you get? And that is what we can show you here. Even though you have zero experience in our trading bot library, I said people are lazy. They are lazy to learn. They are lazy. Most people are lazy, just want money. The trading bot library, we have over 350 trading bots. But if a student get there, after trying one or two or three, they come back to me, boss, can you recommend? Can you recommend to me? And of course, I will definitely recommend the one I've checked. Out of the 350, how many do you think I will be able to check? I have so many things I'm doing. Aside from trading, I train people, I do so many things, like a lot of things. And also, I'm a web developer, a software developer. All the website you are seeing in OT, Trader, OT Academy, I designed them myself. So I do a lot of things when it comes to this Forex. So I told you I'm a fund manager, I'm this, I'm that, I code trading bots. So I'm always busy. How many bots will I be able to, at my leisure time, which I don't usually have, I can just check one or two. So if I say, this one has potential, I can recommend it. You can check this out. But you that you are looking for something, you have all the time in the world. You can learn. Since you learn how to check it, you can just check. You can set a target for yourself. In a day, you are checking 10. I can bet it with you. If you check like 50, you will see like, even though it's like 4 or 5 that can give you that financial freedom, you will see it there. And after the academy, if you watch the academy, you attend our academy very well, we'll have trained you on how to run copy trading. So if you are running a copy trading, for example, you have a trading bot, it does not have to make profit. If your trading bot can make, let's say, even though $50, your trading bot can make $50 in a month. It's a whole lot of money. And let's say you are charging 30%. That's $15. So if 10 persons are copying your trade, you are charging 30%. And don't forget, some people use a bigger lot size. I'm not factoring that. Some people use more, they have more money than you. But let's just use on average. If you have 10 people copying you in a month, don't forget you make $50. And you have 10 people copying you, that's 150 without 30%. Plus the other one you have, the $50 you have, that's 200. Now imagine you have like 300, you have like 400 people copying you, which is possible. I've already explained how to go about it in our academy. I won't be going into that. That's one of the business of trading. We have partnership. We have so many that I don't want to start mentioning. It's a partnership that people know about. Me bringing one person, bringing two person. That's some hidden business that most people are not aware of. Should I even tell you this? Selling of trading bots. And that is what most people you are seeing out there, that's what they are doing. They are not doing something special. You have a trading bot library, just go to the trading bot library, you get a particular bot that is working, you backtest, you've done the backtest, it's working. Change the name. If your name is Talk by FS AI, put it on your startup, put it on a demo account. Who cares about live account? You might not have money to fund a live account. Put it on a demo account, let it be trading. Result, put it on your status every day. People will come to you that this bot, how is it? How much is it? You tell them it's $100. Imagine you're able to sell like 4 in a month. That's $400. No stress. You don't need to do buying and selling to be rich in this business. I don't know, maybe you get it. Compare. So how much trade will you be able to trade? Will you be able to trade to make $400 in a month? How much capital do you think you have? I was telling you that you want $1,000. You can make maybe $200 conservatively. So if you now have, that means you'll be having, let's say like $2,000 to be able to make $400, and it's not guaranteed. I don't know, maybe you get what I'm saying. So that is what business of trading can actually do for you. Imagine you're able to sell 4 trading bots. You are only copy trading. You have like 20 people copying you. You are making money here. You are making money there. You are selling trading bots. Do you get? And you are also trading at the same time. You are making money in, that's different stream of income you've created in the name of Forex trading. And this is how people are making money in Forex trading. It's not just buying and selling alone. They do some other businesses that suit them. And we can show you how to do this business in Forex trading. And we are the only academy currently that is teaching the business of Forex trading. Go and check. You can't see any academy. They don't know it. They don't even have the idea. The only thing they know about Forex trading is, most of them is a partnership. You become a partner. And they don't want you to become a partner because they know if you become a partner, you will not be able to bring your referrals to them. So they don't want to talk about it. And also, you will learn how to code trading bot. This is another business. If you can code trading bot, somebody will reach out to you. I want to code a bot. And do you know the secret? Do you know one thing with our code bots we are benefiting from? For example, you want to code bot. You are just like a medical doctor. You just have to open up. You are going to explain your strategy, how you use your strategy, how you execute it. You explain to me. You teach me in a way that will understand it, so that I can code the bot for you. So do you think if you explain your strategy to me, I will forget when after coding it for you? Or do you think once I code the bot and give the bot to you, so I will throw it away if the bot is working? I will modify it, change the name to OT card, OT AI. I'll put it in different name. Just change one or two sentences, start promoting again. Do you get? So that is it. People will come to you, they will trust, they will give you their strategy, they will give you different things. And from there, you still get some other strategy that are working that you can use. You can even get a better strategy. Imagine 4 or 5 person. This one explain their strategy, this one explain their strategy, you code the bot. You have 5 person. You just pick one from this strategy, pick one, pick this, pick that. Merge it together, you get more powerful strategy than the 5 of them. And that is what you will learn if you join the OT Academy. Access to over 350 trading bots that you can work with. We give you more than enough trading bots just for you to test them, to use them, to try them, to do so many things with them, to play with them. So you learn along the line. You learn different things. You do different things. You do different things with them. And some of them are editable. You can customize them to your bot. You can do so many things, which we definitely train you in our academy. And you will become a fund manager, not just a forex trader. You become a fund manager. Who is a fund manager? A fund manager is someone that manages fund for HNIs, high net worth individual or companies. And for you to be able to manage fund for this kind of people, you don't go there with empty for, hey, I know how to trade. You show them your algorithm, your FS book. Now, this is what I've been able to do, and this is what I can do. They go through it, their risk team, they check it, they analyze your trading style, they check everything. If they are comfortable, then they can trust you. With my first book, one of the biggest clients I had was one Indian man. That was last year. Within short period of managing fund for this Indian man, within short period of managing fund, I was able to get my second car from this without stress. And this is what forex trading can do for you. It was somebody from SNS that reached out to the guy and like, Nigerians are very dubious. Nigerians are not good. I don't do business with Nigerian. And that was like the guy went to the white guy in SNS and the guy lost a lot of money with the guy. He now came back to me crying that he lost money and the guy told him that Nigerians are bad people. Do you get? So you can become a fund manager, not just a forex trader. You can't be rich being a forex trader. See, in forex trading, another thing you need to learn, you leverage on people's money, not your own money. How much do you have? You leverage on people's money to become rich. And that is why I mentioned copy trading. The money in the pool alone of the copy trading, people copying you can be up to like 100K. That you might not have the confidence to pull out 100K from your account and put in the market, even though you have it. But you can put your $200 or $500 in the market, while other people that has more mind, they can put 1,000, can put 10,000, this one can put 20,000, can put this. They copy you, and that is where the money is. You make your money without stress. And also, you have one-on-one mentorship. In our academy, you have certificate. After the academy, you have certificates. After our academy, you will be issued a certificate. There is an assessment you take and be issued a certificate. Before I proceed, there's someone. Let's listen to one of the students that attended our academy previously. Let's listen.
Hello friends, good morning. My name is Apollo. I've been a forex trader for the past 5 years, but I've never come about any depth of knowledge like the School of Automation, OTE Academy. If you have not been through the system, you are missing, because manual trading cannot get you there. I can assure you, once you go through the School of Automation, you will never remain the same. My take is these are come to be the major game changer in the forex industry. The way to go for profitability is automation, and the people that will get you there is OTE Academy. Join them today and you will not regret it. I did, and I'm a change forex trader. Thank you, OTE. Thank you, Mr. Ola. God bless.
So that's it. You've listened to one of our students, and you can hear from the horse's mouth. You can play as many as possible for you. So what's the course format? It's an intensive class and it's online class. You don't have to wait. Maybe it's on the 20 something we are starting the course. It's an online. The course has already been made for you and it's flexible. You can start. There are some people within 5 days they are already coding bots within 5 days, and you have lifetime access. Let me show you. Just a moment. Let me show you. Okay, this is our This is our academy website. You can just go to this website, which is oteacademy.online, not just oteacademy.online. Once you go to this website, you find yourself here like this. So you can join the OT Academy, you can just sign up, you can enroll here, and you can log in. This is, you have access and you can see review. This is live review. Drop your review, the review will appear here. I'm going to show you where you are going to see the review. So before I proceed, want to register with broker, you can come here, you register, you need a VPS, you want to join our WhatsApp group, you just come here. You can join our WhatsApp group. Yeah. So let me log into an account to show you how it looks like. So let me log into an account that's been approved already. Okay, this is what you are going to see. You can see this place, you see approved. You see the approved student is not approved, you see it there. And this is what you are going to learn. This is the Forex foundation, the business of trading, the automation, and capital risk scaling. So those are the things you are going to be learning. This is the main part there. This is the Forex automation you are going to learn. So you can start your course here. You just start your course. When you start your course, you come to this place. This is where fund managers are made. So you can see the courses here. I think each of them has maybe about 7 or 8 courses. Do you get? So at the end of the course, once you've completed it, you can come here, you can take assessment. You can take assessment, but like this account now has taken the assessment, then you can download your certificate. You download your certificate. Once you click here, the certificate will be printed for you. You can just download it and you have your certificate. Okay, this is how the certificate look like. You can see how beautiful it is. This is how the certificate look like. You can verify the certificate. You can see how beautiful it is. So this is how our certificate look like. So let me go back to this slide. I know a lot of people will be asking, how much is this course? How much is it? How much is this training? That's what people will be asking. But let me shock you. The training is not 1 million naira. It's not 2 million naira. It's not 500,000. It's not even 300,000. It's not even 200,000. So let me explain. This training was actually 250,000 as at last year. The same thing, the same template. But coming to this year, we had some students. We have a lot of students that want to partake in this, but because they can't afford the 250,000. But coming to this year, I had meeting with the management and with the team and all that. So we decided to reduce the price to 150,000 naira. That was what we did. Then we now decided again, like, okay, let's just make it very affordable so that everybody will be able to partake in it. Because despite that, we still have some people, just the people that can afford it, that are getting it. So we now reduce the cost to 100,000 naira. That's the fee for the course. 100,000, which is $70. All the academy you will see out there, the least you will see is maybe 250,000. One thing about forex trading is this: you don't learn forex trading for free. All those free courses that are especially broker is that will train you. You can't make money from it. For example, a broker is having a seminar or a training, you are going there to attend. What do you want to learn? The person teaching you there, do you know if the person is profitable? I don't know, maybe you get it. The person that is teaching you, do you know if the person is profitable? But because it's a broker, they know it. See, so many things that a lot of people out there are not even aware. Do you know most of the people that train you on how to trade, they don't trade. They're not forex trader. They don't even trade. Most people that do analysis for you, some of them are not. They are not trader. They don't trade. They don't put their money in forex market because they don't do it. They just do analysis. They pretend, yeah, I'm doing well. I'm doing this. Most of them, they don't trade. Only leverage on what the broker is paying them. Like I mentioned, that the brokers are actually paying well. So if you want to get this skill, you invest money, you put money. Instead of putting $70 in your account and putting $100 in your account and blowing it, why didn't you come and acquire this skill that can fetch you money, that can make you money, instead of putting this money in your account? And also, I know some people, let me just show you this. Some people might say they want to, what if they want to pay 2 times or they can't afford it? Let me show you something. Let me show you an account let me log into an account that has not been approved so that you understand what I'm saying. Okay, if you register, this is what you are going to see. If you are new, you see unapproved students. So if you proceed to start your course, it will take you to the payment page. And this is what you are going to see there, 100,000 naira. That's what you can make part payment, which is 60,000 naira. That's what you are going to see there. I want to give you a juicy offer. So if you can make your payment just for the 10 students that will be making payment between now till Friday, just 10, just come here and make part payments 60,000 or reach out to the account. Definitely somebody will have been reaching out to you, or you can chat any of the admin. But I know somebody will have reached out to you. You have an account manager. Reach out to the account manager that I said you should pay 60,000. So they can send the company's account to you. You might not pay online because it is part payment. That if you make part payment, for example, you will not have access to the focus. Okay, you don't have access to the focus. You don't have access to the trading board library and so many other things. So they will send the account number to you, pay 60,000 and tell them that I said if you pay between now the Friday. But ask them that what number do you get, so that it won't be more than the 10 persons. If you have gotten the 10 persons, then you just have to pay the 100. So ask them that are you still among the 10 persons. They say yes, then you can go ahead and make your payments. So the first 10 persons that will pay between now till Friday, you can pay 60,000, and I'm going to give you the full cost to join the OT Academy. And once you join the OT Academy, you have access to the training board library, you have access to all the tools. And in short, if you want any trading board, instead of you buying any trading board, you can just chat me on the trading board library. That you have this board you are looking for, as you check. I have over 4,000 trading boards in my archive. So it's likely that bot you want to go and pay money for, I have it. There is no bot you mention. Hardly will there be any bot in this industry that you mention that I don't have access to. Hardly do you get it. So I have my tentacles spread here and there. I'm not just a programmer or a forex trader. I have tentacles spread. You can have links, I have connections when it comes to forex trading. So if you need any trading bot, you can always reach out as well. Just if you are a student, don't reach out me if you are not our student. But if you are a student, just chat me. I will get it for you for free if I have access to it. So that is that. Another thing I want to show you, which I want you to know, the academy is not everybody that will have access or will be available to learn. It's not everybody. Some people they are of age, they cannot really comprehend at this moment. They can't learn anything. And some people, they are very busy at work. They don't really have that time to sit down and start learning anything. They just want to make money. There are some people like that that they don't really have that time anymore. They just want to make money. So I present to you our OT Premium AI. So we have a premium AI, not in the trading board library, that we sell to our client. You can subscribe to it. So we have one-off payment. I'm going to show you. But before I go, let me show you this testimony.
I want to give my honest review about the OT platform. I've been around different platforms on how to trade Forex. And initially, I signed up with a different platform, which I will not share the name. I was disappointed because what they told me is not what I witnessed with the platform. So I left the platform until I came across OT platform, which explained everything in detail, and they gave me an options of the AI trading that they created. So I signed up for the OT AI trading, and ever since it has been so impressive beyond my imagination. I can't believe an AI could be generating so much profit, but OT make it possible. So I will encourage everyone out there to give them a try, and you will never be disappointed. Trust me, because they make it so possible that you don't have to do anything. All you have to do is just look at your account and see how the trading is going, how it's making the profits, and you'll be so impressed. So I will encourage you to, anyone still having a doubt, to give them a trial. Thank you. Bye.
So you've had, that is the power of OTE Premium. That's the power of OTE Premium. So let me now explain what OTE Premium AI is for you. So OTE Premium AI trade gold, XAUUSD. It has been trading gold now for a while, and we have a result, not just MT4 to show you. And you can make between 10 to 30% return on investment on monthly basis, depending on the settings. But on average, make around, let's say, like 20% on average. That's what it makes on monthly basis for you, potential profit that it can make based on our clients that have been using this. So the minimum capital to put in this, you can put any amount, but I will tell you the one I recommend or my suggestion. So the fee for this bot, we sell it for $300. $300 is the fee for the bot. That's 456,000 naira. That's our exchange rate. 456,000, 300,000, $300 is the fee for the bot. And it trade to 4-5 for you. In as much the market is open, you don't need to do anything. And we have FS book, we have investor password, MKO4 link is available. Let me just show you on MKO4. So this is our premium bot. You can see the graph. See, this person deposited. You can see the deposit 2005. This account started with 5,000. It started with 500. For a while, with time, the person added some money to it and see the profit the person had made. The person has made almost 2,350 something. That's what the person has made. And the person started, don't forget, 500. That was the first deposit the person made. Then with time, he added some money to it. If you do some money, he added again, like that. And the bot is still trading. This is it. And since July, it made 11%, 24%, 23%, 21%, just like that. That was last year. In January, we did an upgrade on the bot. The whole of January, we upgraded the bot. And in February, we started on this account again. We started recently on this account because I did some upgrade. You know, I told you I code bot. So I study the market. I see one or two things. When I see that something is wrong in the market, just to know a new year and all that, I took my time to analyze the market and redesign the bot, which I do practically every time. So I look at what are the flaws of this bot, what are the things the market can take advantage of. So I try to block those loopholes. Like I told you, Forex involves some level of risk, but it can be a calculated risk. And this is the OT Premium AI. You don't have to do anything if you have this AI. You don't do anything from your end. You just plug in and the bot will do the trading for you. So we have a website for it, which is ottraders.online. If you check it out, you will see a lot there. Even the fee, you will see there is more than this 300. But because you are attending this webinar today, I'm going to give you one-off payment for 300. Go and check the website, ottraders.online, not .com, ottraders.online. Don't forget otacademy.online, ottraders.online, traders with S. .online. You can write it down. You can check it. You will see our board there, and you will see the fee there is because we have, it's not only Nigerians clients we deal with. We deal with people from UK, people from different parts of the world. Do you get that can afford what we are giving out? So they reach out to, oh, we are interested, and we make a deal and we give them what they want. But for you that you are our own, you are attending this, you are in this webinar, so you can get it for this fee. Or if you go online, you can even make payment online as well. You can make your payment online, but the fee you see there, you come back, you come and tell me what you saw. So that's that. So you can check us out on all social media at OTE Traders. You can check us. This is our WhatsApp line. You can chat. This is our Telegram. You can chat OTE Traders at me. You can chat us directly. Support at otetraders.com. You can check our website otetraders.online, oteacademy.online. Both of them are online. Do you get? We use online, not .com, because it's an online business. So, and if you are looking for our office, that these people, they have office. These are office, Oluwalogbon Motors, Obafemi Awolowo Way, Alausa Ikeja. And also, you can just type it on Google, OTE Academy. Google Map will direct you anywhere you are in the world. We direct you to our office where we are, OTE Traders. Just type it on Google, OTE Academy. It will direct you to our office. And thank you so much. If you have any question at all, don't forget, you can reach out to any of the admin. You can chat any of the admin. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, to like this video if you really enjoyed this webinar. And till the next time, I will say thank you so much. And I will see you maybe in the class or in the group or at the top. So thank you once again. Bye for now.